Orutayayo rwakarishorisho wa gavumenti ahari Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital rubireho kitararine kandi abashaho bekangira kureba akarishorisho nabagwamu batari kukimanya ogwa birashendekerezibwa abakozi be abarumwe barukora office za Mbarara na Kampala kandi babandize bagiraho urukiko rw'akeherero nabwanyuma babuganaho bakuru ba district ya Mbarara City na Mbarara district nabwanyuma bagira hirwa rero kuri ryambarara kandi ababecwiremwe bicweka bamwe baza kurambura za wodi abandi bazoma office agandi uwo muramuzi naruze no rukwebembera office ya Mbarara basigire nibabuze bibuzo mukuru w'irwareri Dr. Deus Twesige bemahabuze bibuzibwe Dr. Twesige no kushangangwe byome biruma x-ray na CT scan ebyabahirwe government bikire bisya bitarukora.
Also identified that there is a brand new x-ray machine, it's digital, which we also that one was delivered here made last year. Unfortunately, according to the person responsible to manage or operate that machine, it says that at the time it was delivered to this hospital, its printer had expired films. Therefore, they cannot use it. All they do is to do the x-ray on the patient, and then they ask patients to take pictures of the x-ray from the screen of their computer using the patient's phone. Okay, so that is what the patients use to either take outside to the consultants or bring through to the doctors for purposes of getting treatment.
Oguna bwabuzi bwa sente ziri kushashurwa barwira barukwenda obuhereza bw'ecyoma cha MRI ekiri kuchebera igufa ry'omugongo omubinde biteganise IGG no kushanga ngo abarwire no barara heru kandi abandi no batungira obujanjabi ahansi y'ebitanda.
We identified that some patients are actually admitted under the beds of other patients. It's unbelievable. There's a patient at the top, and then under the bed there is also another patient that is admitted. We have had a discussion with the director of the hospital, and it has been agreed that at least a tent is going to be right out there to at least accommodate some of the people who do not have beds in the designated wards.
Omukwetonga naho Dr. Twesige agizire ngo naija kutereza ebyo byona ebimubuzibwe.
There is a demand, people want an x-ray. Our monitor that came with it cannot work, it came when it was faulty. The films that came, they are expired. They don't even print. When you take, they don't take anything, they don't come out. So that's why we are fumbling now with our smartphone, so that at least we can provide service.
Ahanshonga y'abarwiro kurara hansi y'ebitanda Dr. Kishoborire hwati.
This hospital, its bed capacity is 270, but the physical beds are 554. We still admit under the tent, we are admitting on a veranda. Actually, it is good that this kind of team is here, maybe in the future, to add a voice on this. We are overwhelmed.
Hariho n'abarwira bashangirwa heru bitu bagambire IGG ebarukura bamwahirwa reri.
Twaja kumukuna
last week
nabajyana batugamba nonye sente emitwaro 7 ezo kumutwara musikana twasasubya wansawo
wali abanye omuntu gwe wa sente
bwe muraba mutegera nesimanyiri nyariye nitubawe emitwaro 7 nabadama ne batukake emitwaro 7 ne bagamba bagenda tuwa CD tujitware wabweru emitwaro 7 nabadama ne batusa sente endala
eno CD yalikoki
yarwara ogunde no spinal cord ayinawo ekizimba kati nibagamba ndete sente kati bade tuliyawo ngaliyawo musajiko nibagamba amumanyi urwada omute tugenda musobola tenga bamaze kutuba sente ezo batusindika murago.
IGG asigire yaragira mukuru w'irwariro kutaho ibihandiko by'abakozi bona barukurara mu irwareri Gashakwa Edison Kinene.